2.4 gigabyte Wi-Fi drone with camera. Now the camera is going to be on your cell phone, buddy. This kit. So in the box that you just saw, you get your drone that looks like this. Has an on and off switch in the front. The camera is built in right there on the end of it. They're also nice enough to give you 4 additional propellers just in case you lose the propellers that come with it. Obviously you get your manual and you get your flight control instructions, which you see here. This right here is for your phone. So the way this works is this clips right in that little slot right there. And then this pops up, and then you would put your phone at a 45-degree angle in between here and here, so you can actually look at your phone. And this is spring-loaded, so it clamps to that. So you will have to download the app as well and read the instructions on how to sync your phone to the your phone camera to this device here. But on the left-hand side of your drone here, this button here is going to, if you push it up, it's going to make your drone ascend. If you push it down, it makes it go to descend. If you push it to the left and the right, push it this direction, it'll make it do counterclockwise. If you push it this direction, it makes it go clockwise. This button here, if you push it up, it causes the drone to go forward. If you push it down, it causes the drone to go backwards. If you push it from the left to the right, it causes it to slide, for example, like this, or like this, to the left and to the right. It also has a button here, which is how you can trim. So say, for example, you're flying your drone and your drone just seems to be kind of sitting like this or leaning in a certain direction. You can actually adjust it to get it to where it's actually flying level. On the back here, which is where your batteries go, it takes 4 AA batteries, as you can see. The battery for the drone, they give you 2 of these. Uses a USB charger to plug in here, and then the other side plugs into a standard outlet. If you look at your drone here, slides in there, as you can see. Locks in place, and then when you're ready to fly it, all you do is turn on your transmitter first, which is what they recommend, and then you would turn on your drone. It also comes with a small screwdriver and some other little hardware as well. But just from what I saw and how this thing operated, I was really impressed with it. Very smooth operation. I wasn't disappointed at all. It takes some getting used to, like anything, especially if you've never flown a drone, you know, getting used to the controls. But this one was different because of the whole camera thing, you know, having my cell phone mounted here. But I was able to use this button here, which allows you, as you can see, it's got for video, and this one is to snap pictures. And this button here also allows it to immediately drop to the ground and land. But overall, a very good drone, I think reasonably priced. And from what I'm seeing so far, I would give this a 4.5, almost a 5-star review based on what I've seen from it so far.